And welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Paula Peterson.
Now, Paula is back with a recipe to share. This dessert is sure to pique the interest of people in places like Stromsburg, Wausau, and Oakland, as it has a very Swedish flair to it. Here's more.
So many of us have Christmas traditions, and we are going to learn about one now from a CommonGround volunteer, and it happens to involve a very great dessert. Joining me now again is Paula Peterson. Paula, what do you have for us?
We are going to make Oostaka. The traditional way of making Oostaka is actually using whole milk where you turn it into cottage cheese, but because I don't have a dairy cow, one of the ladies from the church told me I could use cottage cheese instead, so that's what my recipe is. It starts out using 5 eggs, and I just did a half batch for today. And so you beat up your 5 eggs, you add 2 cups of cottage cheese, 1 cup of whipping cream, a half a cup of sugar. This is, probably not on a diet-friendly, but it's only once a year, it's Christmas, so calories don't count at Christmas, right? And then you can use vanilla is what my recipe calls for. I have seen some recipes that use almond extract too. This is just the one that Rosie Sherry from our church uses, so that's what I use. And so you mix this all together, you'll pour it in a baking dish, bake it for 1 hour, and you get a lovely little custard with cottage cheese. Now this is a lingonberry sauce, is what the recipe I gave for. Tom's family uses lingonberries. You can find them at more specialty grocery stores, or my brother-in-law uses lingonberry jam. And some families chop up strawberries and use strawberries on it instead. So there's other options that you can try. Christmas wouldn't be the same without it.
Good way to experience a little bit of Swedish in your Christmas season. And thank you, Paula, very much. We appreciate it.
No problem, John. Have a Merry Christmas if I don't get to talk to you.
You too. Merry Christmas.